to log in Threads with Instagram. Logging into Threads by Instagram is simple as Threads uses your Instagram account for authentication. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you log in quickly. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded Thread app on your mobile device. And once you have downloaded it, simply tap on the Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram app, simply scroll down and there you will get to see some Threads option available on your For You page. Now all you have to do is tap on the Get App option available there. Since I've already downloaded my Thread app, let's simply tap on a profile and navigate to the login credentials. Now here you will have to choose whether you want public account or private account in Threads. So here I'm choosing the private. Then continue and follow the on-screen instructions to prepare your Thread account. Now you'll have to wait for a few moments and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.